Falls through fragile roofs account for a large proportion of falls from height. These usually occur on the roofs of factories, warehouses and farm buildings where repair or cleaning work is being undertaken. Founded in Spain in 1973, a specialist in ceramic tiles and flooring, Porcelanosa is synonymous with innovative design and unbeatable quality, and has a presence in over 150 countries worldwide. As part of its commitment to safety, the company is undergoing a program to ensure anyone requiring access to its roofs for maintenance purposes can do so in complete safety. Many of the roofs already included fall protection measures such as lifelines, but as with many large retail and warehouse units, the roofs also featured fragile skylights which provide natural light for the buildings. After researching skylight safety, Porcelanosa contacted Kee Systems about Kee Covers skylight protection for their UK stores. Kee Systems carried out a site survey at the largest property in Watford and then successfully quoted for the contract. A total of 2,570 Kee Covers have been installed on the roofs of Porcelanosa's retail sites in Watford, Glasgow, Marston Green in the West Midlands, Bristol, Warrington and Doncaster over a 9-month period. Kee Covers sits upon metal frames constructed from key clamp fittings, which are then fixed virtually flat to the roof's surface. Kee Cover is ideal for trapezoidal and standing seam roofs, is hot dip galvanised for durability and does not block light. Kee Cover is also available in a raised format, where the mesh panel is mounted onto small legs and raised above the skylight, giving a greater distance between it and the mesh panel. In the event of a fall, this prevents the skylight from damage as the Kee Cover absorbs the impact. With installation complete on all stores, Porcelanosa has ensured that all fall risks on its UK roofs are now protected, and that maintenance work can be carried out in complete safety.